that it's going to be something extremely unique, or which we cannot put in a conventional bracket. So yeah, I mean, the idea was to make a film which will stand out and which will find its own audience with due course of time. Also, when this started, it started way back in pre-pandemic. That was the time when independent films were really booming, and so many films were being financed and made. And one never really thought that the struggles would increase so much over time. So what has happened during the past few years was not something which I think anyone could have calculated years ago. But yes, it was quite a conscious decision, at least from my side.
Yeah, because see, I think so that when the first impression I have after the movie is that this is the type of cinema that will win us awards, but maybe not the box office numbers. So I can understand the because see, if anyone willing to make some decisions, they will have to like know like how you guys are being so brave about the choices. That was the intent about the question. So thank you. That's it. Thanks, Alavni. Thanks,
Shivam, I
Siddharth.
just want to add one thing about this because I find it, it's a very interesting question. Sometimes we look at it is like, अगर ऑडियंस का रेंज वाइडर नहीं है तो उसको ऐसे देखा जाता है कि it has no audience. This is not like that. So this is very important thing. Even I had also perception कि अच्छा इसका audience है, इसका audience नहीं है. Something which has a really अगर रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म का बहुत ऑडियंस है और अगर वैसा फिल्म नहीं है तो नो ऑडियंस है, ऐसा नहीं है. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस एंड हाउ इवन आई केम आउट ऑफ इट. मैं इफी गया था और जहाँ पे मैं रुका हुआ था वहाँ पे उसमें पूरे सारे वो इफी के लिए आए हुए थे. एंड आई मेट 5 to 6 people from different places, from Bangalore, from Maharashtra, from West Bengal. और मैंने उन सबसे इंटरेक्ट किया. उनमें से कोई फिल्म मेकर नहीं बनना चाहता था. मुझे लगा ये सभी फिल्म मेकर बनने के लिए आए हैं. उनका कोई ऐसा प्लान नहीं था. वो फिल्में देखने आए थे. वो बोले कि मैंने अब जो अपने देवर वर्किंग पीपल, वो जो छुट्टी लेकर के आए थे वहाँ पे पहले से. अब बोलेगा हम लोग अपने इसके लिए फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए अपनी जो है लीव्स ब्लॉक करते हैं और वो बोलते हैं उनको पता है कि अगर ये मिस हो गया तो उनको फिर कहीं नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. इसलिए जाते हैं और पूरा शेड्यूल, मतलब पूरी प्लानिंग, इतनी मैंने कहा इतनी मेहनत फिल्म देखने के लिए. मैंने पूछा कि मुझे पता है इसके अलावा नहीं मिलने वाला है मुझे ये. एंड वेयर आई अंडरस्टूड I may not like certain film, but it does not mean as long as film is it's made good. Anyone can watch an Amar Colony and say that it's a well-made film. So that was also when I kept on telling when I go to people that open theater people can come and say कि इसे देखी लेकिन कुछ ये नहीं कह पाएगा यार कि फिल्म ऐसे ही थी. So this is what actually we are trying to just create together with the films. It's not a wider range means there is an audience. So when we want to make a film और कोई लिखना चाहता है तो इन सोचा तो क्या बताऊँ, मतलब जो है कि अरे इसका तो ऑडियंस नहीं है. पेन उठाने मतलब वो लैपटॉप खोलने के पहले, कहानी के पहले यहाँ पे. That's why this is what I have personally learned when I met all those people like who travel so much to watch independent films and such films. Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. Also, like this conversation made me remember, like once I was watching an interview by Anurag Kashyap, I guess, and he said that people will not turn out for the way, for the type of cinema I was making earlier. And then what happened? There was sudden wave that people started doing piracy, and people have watched everything I have made, but there were no numbers. So I think so. Yeah, open theater. If that time we had open theater, so I think so both would have boomed. But yeah, so understood.
Yeah. Thank you for this question.
ओके. आई थिंक मतलब लोग ना चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखा है So maybe we can take from there also. But meanwhile, if Ayush wants to speak something or Nimisha wants to speak something, they can also speak. None of you? Okay.
Yeah, would like to add that one thing that I feel that first of all, thank you to Open Theatre that they gave this film a platform because it is for film like Amar Colony. The nature of the film and the nature of the OTT even is that the films like these are slowly appreciated, and the film's viewers also turns to the film very slowly with the word of mouth and with their own time. So platforms like Open Theaters has like now opened a wide spectrum for filmmakers to make such kind of movies, and an artist to try out something like even for actors, because nowadays uh, even actors are looking out for films like these, but the problem is they do not get an audience. Earlier, like, the problem was कि यार फिल्म जाएगी कहाँ, बट अब ऐसा है कि हम ज़रूरी नहीं है आज देखें, बट एक साल बाद देख सकते हैं, फिल्म कभी भी देख सकते हैं. सो या आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट फिल्म ओपन थिएटर पे आ जाइए. एंड लाइक शैलेंद्र जी जो बोल रहे थे कि फिल्म की अभी ऑडियंस अभी जैसे अभी अगर आ जाए, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बाय वीकेंड्स ऑल्सो पीपल विल गो एंड वॉच, बिकॉज वीकेंड पे जनरली लोग फिल्म्स देखते हैं. तो वी शुड लाइक जस्ट स्टे पॉजिटिव, एंड आई एम वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक दैट फिल्म विल वर्क वेल इन द ऑडियंस. लाइक शिवम भी बोल रहा था कि इनके जैसी ऑडियंस किस टाइप की ऑडियंस होगी, तो मुझे लगता है कि कम नहीं है ऑडियंस. ऑडियंस बहुत बड़ी है. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट रीचिंग देम इन टाइम. सो इट विल टेक सम टाइम, बट या विल रीच द ऑडियंस जो इस फिल्म की है, बहुत बड़ी ऑडियंस है. बिकॉज जब मैं फिल्म शूट कर रहा था तब भी मुझे लोग पूछते थे कि यार ये फिल्म कब आ रही है, ये फिल्म कब आ रही है. तो इवन फ्रॉम देन द बज वॉज व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग. तो आई एम वेरी श्योर इवन द एक्टर्स जो मेरे साथ काम किए हुए हैं वो लोग भी ये फिल्म देखना चाहते हैं. जो डायरेक्टर्स मेरे साथ काम किए हैं वो भी ये फिल्म देखना चाहते हैं. जब ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ था उसके बाद भी मुझे लोगों ने पर्सनली मैसेज किया था दैट वी वांट टू वॉच द फिल्म, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट पीपल विल वॉच. जो हमने स्क्रीनिंग्स भी की हैं मुंबई में, लाइक सिद्धार्थ एंड निमिषा वर देयर, तो हमने काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स देखा था. इवन स्क्रीनिंग्स में पीपल वर कमिंग into 200, 150, 200 people came to the screening in town we did in Mumbai, and it was house full. So I think it's a matter of time OTT pe film will run well. So thank you people for giving us this platform. And yeah, Nimisha, if you want to add something.
I'm just going to add that not that there are no platforms for independent films in general. There are other platforms also. But what I like and the beauty of open theatre is that it gives equal. It has equity for both the filmmaker and the audience. तो दोनों को बेनिफिट होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट अ वन वे स्ट्रीट कि सिर्फ प्लेटफॉर्म को बेनिफिट हो रहा है या सिर्फ व्यूअर को बेनिफिट हो रहा है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो because we make an independent film, to make it of course it costs certain amount of money and almost no return comes into place. And I think open theatre is finding that midway, that path for everybody, where even the makers can benefit from having a film being released on a certain platform. So it's a win-win situation for both. And so thank you for having our film. And yeah, I'm not even worried about audience or viewership, or it's a slow burner. Every film, हर किसी की खिचड़ी की रेसिपी अलग होती है, हर किसी को खाने का तरीका अलग होता है. And I really think that some people like to slow cook their meals and really take their time and savor things. And I think Amar Colony is something that has to be savored and not instantly consumed. It is a film that is best had with delayed gratification as opposed to instant gratification, which is really not my cup of tea either. So yeah, thank you. That's all I wanted to share.
So I have two questions. I just want to intervene for both of you, Nimisha and Ayush. As an actor, कि फिल्म में मतलब लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मतलब एक्टिंग चल रही किसी की. That was the माहौल. So जब एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है एक एक्टर, मतलब मतलब कहना कि वो नजर आ रहा है. So like was that a different way of approaching the character, the way you usually do in your performances,
Hmm.
or the same, one by one you can tell?
So I come from a school of thought where I use certain techniques in acting which greatly define the ease, which are reliant on the ease of performance, and rather than on stressing on dialogue क्या है और ये सब. पर इट ऑल्सो लाइक इसमें मल्टीपल फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व है. पहली बात तो किस तरह का सेट है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट आर यू वर्किंग इन. So we were fortunate enough to work with Siddharth and with Madhura, who were very chill people. It was a very chill set. We were having fun most of the time, and the idea was to uh, keep a healthy and a happy environment. That also greatly dictates performance and how you are able to be, you know. And I think it was, see, with every, अगर हर actor ने वो achieve किया है, which means it's the director's understanding to keep it that way. Some directors prefer more theatrical or more, an approach that is more rigid. But Siddharth was very free flowy. It was very easy to work with him. बहुत आसान था. मतलब कोई मुझे दिक्कत कभी नहीं हुई. I'm sure हम में से किसी को नहीं हुई. We just had a lot of fun and it just came through. And personally, my own techniques of acting, from what I've trained in, are reliant on finding behaving as honestly as possible in imaginary circumstances, keeping your character's dhacha in place. But then when the scene comes, you just be, you are present in that moment. और फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो most of the time I do that. That is my approach. But Ayush can elaborate more on his approach.
Thank you, Nimisha.
Yeah, so like Nimisha said, lot of thing happens because of the format also कि क्या director की approach है towards the project. So that is very true. क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा easy होता है जब मैं मुझे natural रहना हो, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाता है as an actor also, क्योंकि वो मेरा zone है. I feel के to grasp a character, I mean I should not even say grasping or something. It's just about understanding the script, कि what the director wants from that particular character. और अगर फॉर्मेट अलाउ करते हैं, लाइक जैसे वेब के कई सारे शोज होते हैं जिसमें आपको अ लिटिल देयर इज अ थोड़ा सा ड्रामा चाहिए है, जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा उसको टू अ पॉइंट जो थोड़ा सा हीरोइक होता हो, या फिर इवन टेलीविजन में वी डू अ लिटिल फॉर्मेट का डिफरेंस आता है. बट एज एन एक्टर मैं कोई उसमें टेक्निक डिफर नहीं करता हूँ कभी भी, कि यार मैं अगर टीवी कर रहा हूँ या वेब कर रहा हूँ या फिर अगर फिल्म कर रहा हूँ तो मैं इसमें कुछ अलग टेक्निक लगाऊँ. मे बी उसका प्रेजेंटेशन बस बदल जाता है. ये बहुत बार होता है, मतलब एज एन एक्टर मेरे साथ मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ. तो मैं परफॉर्मेंस को तो हमेशा ये कोशिश करता हूँ कि वो रियल ही रहे. स्पेसिफिकली इन अमर कॉलोनी, व्हाट वाज द ग्रेटेस्ट एडवांटेज वाज you had time as an actor to isolate yourself from the world, because we were shooting in Shimla and we were not in Mumbai. So हम घर नहीं जा रहे थे, हम वापस होटल आ रहे थे अपने, and we were 24/7 in that world only. So for 1.5 months we were those characters, and इवन वैसा कोशिश नहीं किया था कि यार चलो अब मैं मोहित बनता हूँ या ये मीरा बन जाएगी. इट वॉज नॉट डेलिब्रेट कि चलो वील गो इन टू अ मेथड एंड डू इट, बट इट वॉज वेरी एफर्टलेसली, सबकॉन्शियसली इट हैपेंड. सो जब हम वहाँ पे इतने टाइम थे, इतना सब बिताया समय, और वो जो अमर कॉलोनी जो बनी थी, जो सेट था, तो जब भी मैं जाता था तो मैं ट्राई करता था कि मैं थोड़ा सा टाइम ना वहाँ अपने रूम में अलग से बिताऊँ, इवन जब भी शूट नहीं हो रहा होता है मेरा. और वो सेट इतना रियल था, इट वॉज नॉट लाइक अ सेट, कि हमें ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि यार ये अभी यहाँ पे, जैसे जनरली आप फिल्म सेट देखते हो, टीवी सेट देखते हो कि फिर वो चेंज हो जाते हैं, वैसा नहीं था कुछ भी. वो एक एक्चुअल लोकेशन है, तो उसको उन्होंने बनाया इतने अच्छे से, तो वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत एड ऑन करती हैं परफॉर्मेंसेस को. सो योर एनवायरनमेंट एंड इवन वेयर यू आर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड ऑफकोर्स द एक्टर्स जो सामने से आपको रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से वो सीन में हैं, वो सब एक कलेक्टिव एफर्ट होता है, जब जाके वो सारी चीज़ें लैंड अप होती हैं. मुझे लगता है कि ये कुछ भी इसमें मेरे लिए तो कोई मैकेनिक्स नहीं है. आई फील ये एक बहुत ही मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ एज एन एक्टर, अमर कॉलोनी हैज़ बीन एक्सपीरियंस जो हर एक्टर को अपनी लाइफ में चाहिए होता है कि यार एक बार मैं इस टाइप का कोई काम करूँ जिसमें मैं एकदम फ्री फ्लोई, लाइक निमिषा ना बहुत फ्री फ्लोई था. सो दैट वाज द थिंग. So yeah, I feel नेचुरल पूरा एनवायरनमेंट था, स्क्रिप्ट वाज सो इजी कि वो सब नेचुरल हो गया. दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट इट.
थैंक यू. और सिद्धार्थ, मुझे भी ना मतलब देखने में लगा कि यार मैं इसका स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. It's a very rare it happens that you watch a film and then you want to read a script. I had this intrigue कि यार मैं देखूं कि जो मैंने देखा है वो कैसे लिखा गया था. तो
यार बताओ कैसे लिखा गया था.
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ, आप पढ़ो कैसा लिखा
हाँ,
गया है।
मतलब वो मेरे इंट्रीग आया कि नहीं यार इसको देखना, मतलब इसको पढ़ना है ना. देखने के बाद पढ़ने का बहुत ऐसा कम ख्याल आता है कि देखो
वो
यार ये लिखा
बहुत
है.
ही illustrative
compliment.
by the way. Like when you see the screenplay, when it came to us also, there's a lot of illustration in it, and you can actually imagine the world of Siddharth Chauhan in that screenplay, because when you read it, there are lots of sketches and stuff that he has put inside it, so
Oh.
you get a great idea into that
जैसे
world.
मैंने
You
बोला, वो
already know what
स्क्रिप्ट
film you're doing.
नेचुरली इजी थी कि हम लोग वो इमेजिन कर सकते थे स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के.
Yeah, because it was already drawn
Yeah.
there for us. So like yeah, some
Wonderful.
imagery is difficult, no, to achieve.
Yeah, मतलब मैं I could not imagine कि like ऐसा भी I would love to see that script कि. और ये वाकई एक्टर के लिए तो बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है ना कि अच्छा वो हम पढ़ भी रहे हैं और हमने कुछ उसका स्केच कुछ ऐसा देख लिया और कुछ ऐसा डिस्क्रिप्शन इस तरीके से आ गया कि लगा अच्छा ये दिस इज दैट नाइस.
It was like reading a novel.
या वेरी नाइस.
आजकल लाइक ऐसे इलस्ट्रेशन वाला नहीं होता ना कुछ, सो विजुअल इमेजरी, विजुअल मीडियम बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को स्ट्राइक भी करती है टू
लाइक
अंडरस्टैंड
ऑल्सो मतलब वो अलग से आता है एक पिच
हाँ.
डेक में, तो कभी मोस्टली एक्टर्स के पास नहीं पहुंचता है, सो वी हैव टू यूज आवर ओन इमेजिन. मतलब एवरीबडी हैज इट जनरली इन अ क्रू, दैट पिच डेक और दैट मूड एंड व्हाटएवर, बट
हाँ.
इट somehow never reaches the actor, and the actor only has that worded script, and you have to make the world out of it, which is okay, which is what we are here for. But it helps to have a structure and like an idea of image. Yeah.
So there is a question in the chat box which says, what drew you to tell the story of Amar Colony, and what personal connection do you have to the subject matter? So there are like two questions.
Okay.
First part is, what drew you to tell the story? Second is, do you have any personal aspect or connection to the subject?
Yeah. So what drew me to tell this story is this deep connection I felt to this place, Amar Colony, which you see in the film, no? That building, both from outside and inside. I just felt like, you know, it was a space which was dying to be explored, and it has some stories to tell. And I mean, it was a very mystic connection which I had while also making a short film there. So I just got connected to the place, and it stayed with me until I didn't, you know, like pen it down and write this the whole script of Amar Colony. That's what drew me. The personal connection is, yes, see, I have not been in a relationship with a pregnant lady, or had a first-hand wheelchair experience with anyone who's disabled as such. So not in terms of characters so much, but in terms of the emotions they feel. Yes, it is all a part of my life. You know, I have felt lonely, I felt repressed, I have felt betrayed. You know, so all of those emotions were, you know, which were extremely personal to me, and then the way I expressed them was obviously, you know, like I found various ways and expressions of showing them.
Okay, so I think that answers Shrutika question. Like people can open their camera and ask, like there's no problem. Like why am I reading? Yusuf, आप अपना camera on करो और question पूछ लो. Like they have started like typing there.
Yeah, thanks, Saloni.
Thank you.
And good evening to everyone. Ayuji, Siddharth, Nimisha ji, you people have done a great job, and all the best to you. As in you said, very right, Nimisha ma'am. You know, you are not so fond of audiences. As in, I was just मुझे वो इंडिया और उसका साउथ अफ्रीका का मैच याद आ गया. फाइनल जो स्टार्ट इंडिया ने कितना स्लो किया था, but बीच में और मे बी इन दी एंड वो ग्रिप पकड़ लिया था. So circumstances and the situation cannot stop us, you know. So it is we who have to do the work, and rest will happen in time. So my question to you is, Siddharth sir, is that isn't it disappointing when we make an independent film and it doesn't get released on a platform? How do you manage, these kind of difficulties if it comes, and how do you face this? Like you know,
So you are clearly not counting Open Theatre as one of the platforms.
no.
I'm just kidding. Yeah. Okay. I get you what you're saying. Yes, it is very disappointing. It's very disheartening, disappointing, because any filmmaker who makes a film, at least a bold or a unconventional film like this, and you start off thinking that perhaps my film will go to Netflix or or Movie or some other so to say big platform, but then eventually you discover that they have certain algorithms, they have certain strategies which they follow, and they are not open to all kinds of films. So you just accept it along the way, and then you find a way to and then you also feel that like there comes there comes a point where you feel that that why am I chasing a platform which does not respect me, or which does not want me. It's like chasing someone in a relationship. Why am I chasing someone who does not want me? So and that's where I feel that we found a relationship with Open Theatre, because they showed so much love and interest towards our film, and and it was both ways. So I'm so glad that that we are finally releasing our film on a platform which is respecting our film, and which is showing that kind of belief and commitment in our work. So I think it's far better to release your film and to collaborate with such people, rather than collaborating with that kind of trust and equal respect does not exist.
Correct.
Yes.
Thank you sir, thank you, and I hope so we make this partnership very long.
Yeah, in fact, Yusuf, as a co-producer, I would like to chip in because
Yes, sir.
on behalf of the main producer Nishit Kumar, whom we are missing today, and our executive producer and my good friend Mr. Paritosh are there. Yes, sir, but I'll not use the word disappointed. As producers, we were surprised when the film did not, before this Open Theatre, it did not get much platform or much this thing, even after getting acclaim. And more surprised because the film kept on getting rave reviews, awards, including Nimisha's acting and of course Mr. Siddharth Chauhan's fantastic work. But I feel that it being an independent film, and I'm very confident that since the film is independent, the audience will be autonomous. And there is no dearth of autonomous audience in this. And I have also accepted, not reconciled. It so often happens that there is a topper in the university, a gold medalist, but he does not get a job. But that does not like they say it in Sanskrit, no, ki kuputro jayate kvachidapi mata kumata na bhavati. If the son gets in bad ways, the mother does not get the bad name. So ultimately, I feel that it's been a fantastic journey with Siddharth Chauhan, and the film definitely being independent will definitely get audience, and perhaps, and I'm confident that Open Theatre will be the toehold and the springboard from where we will have a quantum leap. So I'm surprised, but I'm not disappointed. Yes, and I'm also thankful to Nimisha for putting her views from the perspective of the producers. Yes, we do want, there has been a creative satisfaction, a fantastic co-journey with the Siddharth, but yes, we do want a return on investment, and I'm confident that it shall take place.
Thank you, Sharan sir.
I also want to add one more thing, Yusuf, that over the last few years, I've also been watching the political atmosphere in our country, and since you've just seen the film, I'm sure you will understand why the major OTTs are facing such a hard time in releasing a film like this. The country is in a terrible state of affairs, and there is so much, like people are just overreacting, and they are just, like we have become so insecure we've become so insecure as people about our own religion, that no one can even take a joke on the religion. So that's the current state of affairs we are in right now. And I feel that also plays a major role, because no major OTT is going to try and offend the government. So it's just delusional to think that, you know, we'll make it to any big OTT. No, that's not happening. You know, just like it is delusional to think that we will win a national award. You know, with the current atmosphere in the country, political atmosphere, it's impossible. That's not happening.
Okay,
Thank you,
let
sir.
us accept it.
Really like the last line which you said. It's really, I know people are having some fear in their mind before speaking or something, like it should not hurt someone's sentiments. So that is very true, you said. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You know, in fact, the film is already in the process of certification, and we have already received from CBFC, you know, that we've been asked to remove so many scenes from the film because they are feeling it's going to hurt sentiments of people. So all those kinds of things are happening. They're even asking us to change the name of the film. So I wonder what's going to happen.
तो सर ये तो फिर हिट है फिर अगर फिर, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है ये ऐसा काफी हुआ है. आई डोंट नो आपने वो प्रभावती, उसका मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. सलोनी, व्हाट वाज द मूवी नेम? प्रभावती राइट? फिर नेम
पद्मावत.
सॉरी पद्मावत, सॉरी तो
पद्मावत है.
करेक्ट.
पर फिर मैं देखता हूँ ऐसी फिल्में भी हैं, जैसे कि एक फिल्म है जिसका नाम आगरा है, एक फिल्म का नाम हीरा मंडी है, एक फिल्म का नाम दिल्ली 6 है. पर काफ़ी फिल्में हैं ऐसी जिसमें मतलब असली नाम आते हैं, पर हाँ मतलब वो सब बैटल्स हैं हमारे.
ओके सर, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू एंड द टीम.
Thank you.
Oh, somebody has said best analogy with relationship, like the analogy that you gave right now, chasing an OTT. We also have next few questions. I think he wants to like switch on the camera and ask. So Mehtab, आप अपना camera on कर लो, आप पूछ लो. Like he says no space for me to write, so I'll ask it on the mic. So please
hello guys, hello Saloni, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Please.
Okay, so it's totally dark in my room, so I won't open the camera right now if it is okay, but I would ask a few questions, right? So yeah, I totally like the film. I have typed the first question itself. For me it was a very unique experience, as when I was watching the film I was constantly making my own interpretations of the scenes and the story, right? सबसे पहले तो firstly जब मुझे पता चला कि okay the name of the movie is Amar Colony, तो यहाँ पे I stay in Delhi and near Lajpat Nagar there is this place called Amar Colony. I made an analogy कि क्या ये movie उससे related है or something like that. Anyway, it turned out totally different. उसके बाद while I was watching the entire movie, like I was making interpretations, right? So I want to ask this very simple question to Siddharth, like sir, how do you wish for the audience to interpret it? When you were making the movie, how did you like, what did you expect कि audience इस movie को इस तरह से देखे तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा?
नहीं, मैंने ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं मेहताब. मैंने क्या है ना, ये एक आर्ट फिल्म है और बहुत ही आर्टिस्टिक क्वालिटीज़ के साथ बनाई गई है. तो उसमें इट्स लाइक अ पेंटिंग, आप ऐसे सोच लो. तो आप एक पेंटिंग बनाते हो तो आप कभी ऑडियंस से एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते कि वो किस तरीके से उसको परसीव करेंगे या इंटरप्रेट करेंगे, है ना. पर जब आप एक प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो जो कि सिर्फ बेचने के लिए है, बट यू डोंट वरी अबाउट यू नो एनीथिंग एल्स, यू आर नॉट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स, और इफ़ यू आर वेरी इनसिक्योर कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर पीस, यू नो, देन यू फोकस मोर ऑन कि लोग उससे एक ही मीनिंग निकालें या जो मैं चाहता हूँ वही समझें. तो ये फिल्म उस तरीके से नहीं बनी थी. जब ये फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट भी मैंने लिखी और जब इसको बनाया भी, हमारा एम और गोल यही, एटलीस्ट मेरा एम और गोल यही था कि मैं इस फिल्म को ऐसे बनाऊं कि एक like it should be like a beautiful painting which people can watch and you know they can experience a myriad of emotions and they can take back whatever they want. इसीलिए कोई conclusive ending नहीं है, एक कन्वेंशनल रेजोल्यूशन नहीं है फिल्म में, पर फिर भी एक रेजोल्यूशन है हर स्टोरी का अगर आप केयरफुली नोटिस करोगे. एक कन्वेंशनल स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है इसकी. अगर मैं आपको एक सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताऊं तो आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल नोटिस, बट देयर इज नो प्लॉट इन द फिल्म. यू नो लाइक बहुत ही सिंपल भाषा में हम बोलते हैं कि प्लॉट वो होता है जब व्हेन अ कैरेक्टर डिसाइड्स टू डू समथिंग, यू नो, व्हेन अ कैरेक्टर डिसाइड्स कि अब मैं बदला लूंगा या अब मैं कोई ये चीज करके दिखाऊंगा, you know. But in this film nobody decides anything, you know, they're just living their lives and we're watching them live their lives and still the story is moving forward. So for me the biggest you know the challenge was this, to write a script which really goes away from this conventional narrative जो कि plot driven होता है, और मैं सिर्फ उनके इमोशंस और उनके पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस के थ्रू कैसे फिल्म के एंड तक लोगों को एंटरटेन करूं. एंड आई फील दैट इट्स द सेम क्वालिटी which has also touched the hearts of a lot of people and a lot of film critics, or jury members who have awarded a film.
I see. I see. That. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So yeah, I kind of matlab expected that very thing. Ki like like it you are probably leaving it to the audience to interpret it anyway. So obviously सबके पास अपना अपना अलग interpretation होगा. And secondly, my second question, right? So ये थोड़ा सा मैंने मतलब लंबा type कर दिया था. I thought कि जाएगा send होगा message, but हुआ नहीं. So like let me ask you the second question, okay? So like while I was watching the film, there were a few very creative scenes. मतलब पूरा मूवी तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल मतलब एक उसमें थीम पे चल रहा है, बहुत एक्टिंग भी बहुत मतलब नेचुरल है, बट कुछ कुछ ऐसे सीन्स है. फॉर एग्जांपल गार्बेज बैग जो है वो 3 बार स्टेयर से गिरता है एंड उसके बाद स्टेयर्स में लीव्स गिर जाते हैं. एंड देयर वाज दिस आल्सो दिस एनालॉजी मीरा एंड कृष्णा, राइट? द कृष्णा द रैग पिकर इज लाइक portrayed as Krishna the god and the association of Meera and Krishna. So I wanted to ask कि ये सब जो creativities कोई भी डायरेक्टर अगर मूवीज में ऐड कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए मतलब जस्ट ये विजुअली प्लीज करने के लिए होता है या फिर इसके पीछे रीजंस होते हैं, या एंड सेकेंडली ये सब चीज़ें स्क्रिप्ट में आपके पास ऑलरेडी होता है, आपने थॉट आउट करके रखा है कि मैं ये भी डालूंगा वो भी डालूंगा, या ये फिर मूवी बनाते वक्त अचानक से मतलब कभी ना कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि लाइक ओके दिस वुड बी ए गुड थिंग टू ऐड. So that would be it.
हाँ, तो सबसे पहले 100% स्क्रिप्टेड होता है, सब कुछ स्क्रिप्टेड होता है. आपके पास इतनी लिबर्टी नहीं होती कि आप उधर ही सोचो. देयर आर सम थिंग्स जो स्क्रिप्टेड होती हैं, फिर उसकी एग्जीक्यूशन में आप शायद सेट पे जाके सोच सकते हो कि ये मुझे कैसे करना है, या हम थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देंगे. बट यू कांट अफोर्ड टू टू नॉट स्क्रिप्ट इट एंड देन शूट इट.
Yes.
At least with the kind of budget that we work in, any independent film works in. So the second thing is क्या वो सिर्फ विजुअल ब्यूटी के लिए था या उसका कोई मीनिंग था? तो नहीं, वो विजुअल मीटिंग कोई विजुअल ब्यूटी ऐड करने के लिए नहीं था. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मतलब ऑलरेडी फिल्म में इतनी विजुअल ब्यूटी है तो उसको ऐड करके कुछ मुझे एक्स्ट्रा अचीव नहीं होना था. पर मैं चाहता था कि हम अपने कैरेक्टर्स की मेंटल स्पेस में जाएं, उनके इमोशंस क्या है, वो सोच क्या रहे हैं, और उनकी इमेजिनेशन में हम घुसें. तो वो इमेजिनेशन में हम कैसे घुसते हैं वो मैंने उन सब सीन्स के थ्रू मतलब अचीव करने की कोशिश की.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. It was lovely watching the film. Nisha, Ayush, everyone, like Fab. It was great watching the film. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
क्वेश्चन काफी लंबा हो गया, but like answer was very interesting. Like it's also like you are speaking now from like we see the picture as an audience. जैसे इन्होंने बोला ना अमर कॉलोनी, so I also live in Delhi. So the first time they told me about the name, तो मुझे मेरा पहला instinct was like कि I know this colony. Has the film something to do with that, like that?
Amar Colony has great momos. Like there is this place called Hunger's Pride of Taste. I go there every whenever I get time I go there to have momos. Yeah.
तो पहला इंस्टिंक्ट मेरा था कि मतलब is this about this place, like
Great. आई थिंक हम दिल्ली का काफी क्राउड अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है हमें दिल्ली में फिल्म को रिलीज करना चाहिए थिएट्रिकली क्योंकि दिल्ली में हम काफी लोगों को अपील कर पा रहे हैं, चाहे हम ट्रिकी क्यों ना कर रहे हैं उनको नेम से, अमर कॉलोनी से. बट आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, है ना शैलेंद्र सर? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट?
Definitely. And I just wanted to add that we already had a screening of Amar Colony in Delhi in India Habitat Center, and there we had almost the hall was packed. So Delhi will be a good launching pad, definitely. But as Siddharth told, censor की कैंची कहाँ तक चलेगी, and what originality in the film, and the originality of the script writer and the director, how much it is retained, because there are expletives also in the film, there are explicit scenes, all this director's creativity and creative liberty. But whether the same liberty we can take with the censor board, and given the political intolerant situation, in fact, even though I am looking forward to its release in Delhi, I am equally apprehensive also. Delhi sometimes acts a snob. So, having stayed in quite near to Amar Colony, I was in this thing, Lajpat Nagar Part 2. So let us see. Any other question, Saloni?
Karan sir, I have a question.
जी.
कि मतलब ये मेरा अब फर्स्ट मीटिंग में ऐसे मेरे दिमाग में आया था कि
जी
आप लोगों ने मतलब ये अमर कॉलोनी मतलब जैसे आइडियली जब कोई फिल्म बनाता है तो इट्स मतलब मैं ऐसे बोलूँगा कि इट्स लाइक चूजिंग दिस सब्जेक्ट ऑन स्क्रिप्ट लेवल इट्स अ वेरी ब्रेव थिंग एंड ऑल्सो आई एम श्योर कि आपने बहुत और भी स्टोरीज हंट की होंगी. जनरली लोग हंट करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा मतलब कुछ हुक वाला चीज ऐसे होता है तो बट ऑल ऑफ यू नो और एंड स्पेशली इट्स अ वेरी यंग पीपल want to take such decisions, this courageous decision. But I regard it as it's a really wonderful thing to have just have this courage to make such choose such a script. So ye kaise matlab what was that?
Let me put it in the correct perspective. In fact, to be very frank, we decided on making a film with Siddharth in the focus. And we had put all our eggs in that basket, and the basket of talent called Mr. Siddharth Chauhan. Very honestly, we were novice. We were not, except for our main producer, Mr. Nishit. हम लोग तो we were in the periphery, and at least to me as a co-producer, the entire script appeared to be a bit surreal. And with the tinge of supernatural. These things, say mundane things में आप जो सिद्धार्थ बोल रहे थे ना कि plot driven this that, this was something I will not say unique, but this was something different. And we decided not from periphery to the center, but from center to periphery. Means we focused on Mr. Siddharth, and then whatever he wanted, we just fell in line. We had decided. And naturally, the script mesmerized us because it was something different. So not that we took, उसके बाद of course we became a bit worldly, और अब हम लोग जो film बनाने को सोच रहे थे तो we are doing scouting and hunting. At that time it was a absolute relationship of trust. Whatever Siddharth does, we were with that. So it was absolute trust on one person, no hunting, and whatever he wanted, we simply followed. Maybe yes, sir, mid-course corrections and other things, sir, and no film can be made with a script, but any script is also not cast in iron also, and we were highly impressed with that. We did not explore any other option.
Okay. So the person has come first before this story.
Please. Yeah, to be very honest.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Please, next question.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, please.
I want to ask Siddharth, like, what did you have in mind, like, while doing the cinematography of this film?
Mathura.
Hi Prithvi, thank you for asking me this question. Usually these questions are aimed at DOPs, not at the director, but you're asking this question, so I'll tell you what I had in mind. The first thing was to be authentic to the emotions of each of these stories which you saw. So the idea was that I have to be authentic, so it must look very real, and then along the way, me and the DOP Madhura Palit, I kind of made these rules, so we thought that we'll not just go into the film shooting randomly, but we'll make these rules for every story. and we'll approach each story differently in terms of the visuals. For example, you see a lot of wide shots in one of the stories where there is this pigeon, and then a lot of static shots in the another one, a lot of close-ups in one. But for example, in Mira's story you will see that the frames are that it's always Mira who's moving. Either she's entering the frame or she's leaving the frame, but like she's, because in her life she's calling the shots. So based on each of the character and their their trajectory in the film, I kind of try to invent a visual language.
Like I was 30 minutes into the film, and like when you link the characters to the gods being prayed in the home,
Hmm.
like मैं 30 मिनट तक जब था वहां पे मुझे लगा कि like it's an independent film, but like वो जब सीन आया I was like no भाई ये आर्ट फिल्म है कुछ. But then I went back 30 minutes and फिर से देखा, like every shot was like a painting, man. Like every frame was like a painting. Used sunlight, like sunlight was prominent in every room.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Thank
I
you.
must tell this to my DOP also, Madhura
Yeah.
Pali.
Yeah.
She'll be so
Yeah.
happy to.
I was thinking like मैं cast से जा रहा था like last में. I thought like there would be a cinematographer, but like DOP did it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, you
Yeah.
cannot create
But
any any frame or image without the help of your DOP, right? Because so much of technical knowledge also goes into it.
I want to appreciate you, man. Like you link. It was like the film was perfectly an art film. 1 घंटा मुझे लगा कि like भाई कुछ तो देखा आज दिन में, कुछ काम किया.
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you, bhai. Thank you.
So there are more couple of questions. I think ईशान ने अपना हाथ रेस किया है. ईशान, please आप unmute कर लो and like ask your question.
Am I audible?
Yes. हाँ जी.
Hi everyone. First of all I wanted to really congratulate the actors as well, because I've never had the opportunity, because I actually saw this film पहले धर्मशाला में जब when it was screening उस पे, तो आयुषन ने मुझे very well done on the performances. It was very grounded, and it didn't really feel like acting. It felt like I was actually like inside. So kudos on that. A job well executed. And so that's, I loved the film once again. I watched it again and
Thank you so much, Aishan. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thanks. Means a lot.
yeah. So I just had one question, Raj, that when I was seeing the film today. So I saw that there was there was a child actor also in the set. So I had a part. So like whenever there's a bit of different set of rules or ethics that you would probably work with a child actor, because well they're children and they have school and all of that. But फिर मेरे को ये भी था, because they're not, you have the parents also involved in the when you're having a child actor. And since the script is something that deals with a lot of complexities on very different levels also. So there was this one scene where the child was also selling undergarments, when the dadi was visualizing him ki like he would also be in the same line. So my question is like, how did you convince the parents? Like, how did you have the conversation with the parents to like, because I'm guessing that maybe some parents would have issues when having their child act out scenes like that. So how would you convey them this is overall in betterment of the script and for the narrative flow of the story? Because that actually helps the story move forward. So how would you convey that to the parents and to the child actor? Is my question.
So my first interaction with their family was with this child's Nanu, and and his Nanu was so forward looking that when I told him that that this is a bold film, and we are trying to explore themes of sexuality, and I also want to show how this child is slowly trying to reach that point, or maybe discover his sexual side. So I told him very honestly, actually, I told him that these are the kind of scenes we are expecting in the film, but you can trust me that it just doesn't exist there for the sake of it. There is a context to it, and we are showing that journey in the film. And it's not just that the child is going through that journey, but other characters in the film are also going through a journey of where they're exploring something, where they're trying to discover who they really are. So when I said it to his nanu, he was really okay with it. He was very cool about it. And the next step was, of course, talking to his parents, and that was a little. I was very nervous when I had to speak to their parents, but again. When I told them, they were pretty okay with it, and they in fact appreciated the fact that I was just very honest and candid about it. That what we wanted to show in the film.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for the film, everyone. I just wanted to ask that. Loved the film, watched it again, will recommend it to everyone.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank you, bhai. Big thanks.
Thank you, Ishan. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think we had like a couple of questions. Also, I feel most of them have bought the ticket, and like Anand said, na, abhi wo kal dekhenge ki kal chutti parso chutti, and like they can stream it for the next 7 days also. Like so, any day they might just stream it. And so my question, like I only have one question from Nimisha, and like I think then we are done. So my question is like how did you get into the character? Like we have also made a reel that we'll post about your character very soon. So I had this only one question, like how did, like dekhoge to that the character has two identity, like she is some, like she wants to be somebody else, but she is somebody else because of how everybody wants her to be. So like how did you approach it, like this role? Like also your eyes are very beautiful while acting.
Thank you. That's so sweet. Um, I think it's first of all, it's very important to read a script 100 million times so that you know what your director is trying to say to you. I think we don't give enough importance. आजकल हम लोग बहुत ऐसे phone पे लगे रहते हैं ना, so we don't give enough importance to reading as an activity. So I'm a big believer of reading. Like, reading. Repetition is also something we practice. To repeat and repeat so much so it becomes your second nature. And then Meera is very different. Or when I had encountered Meera, that was like 5 years ago. I was a very different person also back then, and Meera was very different from who I was at that point of time. She's like Vindas will do whatever, like and I was not that person at all. I would. But she had aspiration, and I also identified it with her in some ways because she had some aspiration. She had some like all of us not wanting to be lonely, like all of us wanting to be have a genuine companionship. So there were these points that I identified with. Of course, she's way more sexually liberated, and that is something that was a little bit of a challenge, but it also wasn't very difficult eventually because you have so many females in the crew, so it just becomes easier to shoot that with them. But that is a technicality. मतलब उसके beyond अगर मैं as a character बोलूँ तो repetition सबसे पहले is what I do, and then I will get into I will make like a whole body of this person's history and life and whatever, like that whole body. एक skeleton होना चाहिए in place for me to get inside it. First, that skeleton needs to be there. Maybe I will write it, or maybe I will create it here somewhere. And like skeleton needs to be in place, and then I will get into it. And then we work on physicality. We obviously worked on physicality because we went to hospitals, we spoke to doctors, and it was very important because we have not really seen pregnancy make what women go through. We see in films, in Indian cinema, we will see pregnancy as what a wonderful time. Wow, baby's gonna come. Wow, what a great thing. They make it sound so hunky-dory. It really isn't. There is a lot of shit that goes on into a woman's body, and especially with the hormonal shift. And in the last stages of their pregnancy, they are going through heat and how cats go through heat. It's like that. And that is not really explored. Like nobody talks about it because it's somehow no, it's like a taboo. You can't talk about pregnant women like that. Why is it so secret? So then we went to gynecologists and we spoke to many people. We also saw how women walk, we figured out physicality, and we also figured out what positions, what way things do, things work. ये सब भी बहुत important है because it has to sound and has to look technically correct. It can't be technically incorrect, because any pregnant woman sitting in the audience will like that know what you're doing wrong. And so we figure out these physical technicalities. I've already made my emotional skeleton in place, and then we also get into the world. Now you are talking about the environment, the space you are in. You are in Shimla or in like a small chawl type of situation. वहाँ लोग किस तरह से प्रेजेंट करते हैं अपने आप को, किस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं, वहाँ के फैक्टर्स क्या हैं दैट डिक्टेट पीपल्स बिहेवियर. So you look into that, and then you internalize it all, and then you walk on set, and then you forget about it, and then you just be. That is the way of, I think, personally, like going about any this a character for me. But Meera in particular was very difficult because very different from who I am, so I had to find whatever little marker points I could and then start from there.
Thank you for like I agree, like when you don't act like that ना तो वो audience में तुरंत वो बोलेंगे ऐसा नहीं था हम तो
हाँ,
मतलब
मतलब
like
तो बैठे ही है ना वहाँ, मतलब सब लोग बैठते ही हैं वहाँ क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए, वहाँ वो बैठे ही हैं देखने के लिए कि आप अब भी क्या गलती करोगे, स्पेशली जिसमें कैरिकेचर बनने का बहुत चांस होता है. प्रेग्नेंट वुमन हो गया, या अ फैट पर्सन हो गया, you will always wait for that person to just mess up because तुमने तो caricature बना दिया. So we had to avoid that at all costs. So that is very, very important.
Yes, I agree. Thank you for answering my question. Okay, so Prithvi has raised his hand again.
Siddharth, hello. I want to ask you, you made your first feature film, living in your hometown, right? Like, typically, people relocate to Mumbai for pursuing film. But what the filmmaker has, what options does he have? Like, if he has no resources or finance to shift to Mumbai or pursue filmmaking.
Then you should not move to Mumbai. You should make the film wherever you are. See, for making any film, you don't have to be at a particular place, right? If you want to meet a certain kind of people, so for example, right now I'm in Mumbai. I have moved to Mumbai. It's been a couple of months now, but I have not moved to Mumbai because I want to make a film here, or because that's my agenda, or because I can't make a film back in Himachal. I've moved to Mumbai because there were certain professionals I wanted to get connected to. I'm looking at growing more. I want more competition around me. So I had my reasons of my personal growth in mind. That's the reason. But in terms of filmmaking, I have never felt disempowered, or I've never connected my empowerment to any place or people around me. Because filmmaking is all about what you want to do. And then even if you don't have big equipments or lights, come on, you can even make a film on your phone camera these days. So I look at it like
Thank you so much for answering.
Siddharth, I just want to add one thing on this. That one of my greatest satisfaction was that I also come from a small town of UP, and मतलब जो एक स्ट्रगल होती है कि मतलब पहला स्ट्रगल ये नहीं होता कि हमें अपना क्राफ्ट सीखना है. पहला स्ट्रगल ये होता है कि पहले इस शहर से बाहर आओ और वहाँ पहुँचो जहाँ पे काम हो रहा है. So I had this, still I just cherish in my heart that कि जो लोकल है फिल्म कहीं भी कोई रह करके फिल्म बना, मतलब वो बना पाए, उसकी वो स्ट्रगल ना हो कि पहले हम इस तरीके से करें. तो जो पहली फिल्म हमने ओपन थिएटर पे, जो हमारी खुद की स्ट्रगल की वजह से ओपन थिएटर आया है, जो हमने प्रॉब्लम देखी है रिलीज की, तो दैट फिल्म वाज शॉट एंड मेड 100% people, except people like the bigger actors like Sanjay sir and Rajesh Talan has come to support. सारा लोकल आर्टिस्ट थे, सबके सब वहीं उसी जगह के थे. सो यूपी, और ये पहली फिल्म थी. दूसरी फिल्म जो हमने रिलीज की, काजी, इट्स आल्सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म मेड बाय द फर्स्ट टाइम. वो पूरे जितने भी आर्टिस्ट थे, सबके सब, पूरी टीम नॉर्थ की थे. वो कभी मुंबई नहीं आए, और जो वहाँ के आर्टिस्ट थे वो कभी यूपी वाले कभी नहीं आए। दोनों अलग अलग जगह पे वहीं पे फिल्में बनी हुई और दोनों एक जगह पे आई। एंड इट वाज सच अ डीप सेटिस्फैक्शन कि मतलब यही चाहिए, मतलब हमें ये ना कि ऐसा ना हो कि अभी हम एक अलग स्ट्रगल करें कि क्योंकि जो मेरा जब भी मैं कभी ऐसे इंटरव्यू सुनता था कि मैं यहाँ से ना 2007 में आया और उसके बाद जो है ऐसे किया और मतलब अगले 10 साल बाद मुझे आई गॉट दिस रोल इन दिस इन दैट, तो मेरा हमेशा ऐसे मन में सवाल होता था कि वो कमरे का किराया और खाने का क्या, ये मेरा हमेशा से ये सवाल होता कि हाउ डिड यू मैनेज। तो ये आधी मतलब 80% स्ट्रगल इसमें जाती है, क्राफ्ट तो सेकेंडरी फिर होने लगता है। So that's why I was thinking this is we can and that's why I really loved the fact when I had a first conversation that you said you started from there, you learned filmmaking from Shimla, you made your own short film, you made your first feature film. So this should definitely go out to more and more people that to make films we only need to make films. So this is what this spirit we need to have.
Thank you, Anand. Yes, I feel I come from the place where I feel that as an artist I should be hungry for learning, and everything else is secondary. And coming from and from that same perspective, I do not judge people who take other who choose different paths for themselves. Like there are many people who choose to come to Mumbai first, because they may want to get exposed to certain kind of an exposure or a work atmosphere, and that's absolutely fine. I feel that they are also having a journey of their own, and I had a journey of my own because of my own limitations and reasons. But I feel that the fact that I did not give up and I continue to make films, that somewhere landed me in the eyes of my producers, where they also felt confident to make a film with me.
Yep. Thank you.
Sorry, I just want to add to this that in general, I think filmmakers, when they go back to their land and they make films from their land, I think they resonate with you much more. जैसे आज के टाइम में हम कई फिल्म मेकर्स को ऐसे देख भी रहे हैं, जैसे वो Siddharth and I had gone for a festival where Amar Pali was also there in Gujarat, and we met some Gujarati filmmakers like like Shahrukh Chavada, who is also he's made a film of his basti, of a space he understands. And then there was that film that went in Cannes in the acid segment called In Retreat by Maisam Ali. Same film. He's gone back to his homeland and made these. So I think that when you are, because you tell the stories of your own space, it really connects with other people because you understand it the most and you're able to translate into your filmmaking. And it's very important because if you tell us stories of your land, if you don't tell us, then how will we ever know? So it's great that filmmakers are going back, like even in that Iktara collective, they make films out of MP. They made Ek Jagah Apni karke ek film hai. People are making films from there and telling us stories of their land, because अगर बॉम्बे में रह के हम सब फिल्में बनाते रहेंगे तो एक टाइम के बाद तो बॉम्बे की स्टोरीज भी एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएंगी ना. There has to be more to it, and that is the beauty of independent cinema, I think.
Like I agree. एक गुजराती short film भी है called Ramat Kamat. So it is also made by that guy from Gujarat only. So if you watch, so you'll see that lens is like, मुझे नहीं पता था उस शब्द का मतलब क्या होता है, but then somebody told me, a Gujarati friend of mine, and then I saw that film, and I absolutely agree कि जहाँ से आप हो वहाँ की लहजा, लैंग्वेज, स्टोरी आपको पता होगी. You have been a part of it, you have lived it. तो वो on screen ज़्यादा अच्छे से you will be able to tell people.
Yeah. Or also like that Shahrukh film we are talking about, Kayo Kayo Color, मतलब वो भी do we even know what Muslim lives are like in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad? We don't, na? That's why that film is so important. So that's why people need to be in their spaces and be able to tell, like have the privilege to be in their spaces and be able to tell their story, so that those communities can come forward and those lives and those stories can come forward which we have never heard.
Yes. So like I think सबके questions खत्म हो गए हैं. most of them, like we might, if you have time, hum wapas we would like to do, like till then an ample amount of people must have watched the movie. Like this was the
Sure.
premiere. Now our picture is on the website, so they'll people will start buying, watching at their own convenience time. And my last question for Ayush, what are the three things that you would like to tell young actors? Like there are many here who have left it, and there are still like there. What would you like to tell them? Like this is not very conventional role, na? कि लोग करे, like, and like holding on to it, then promoting it, coming here for like speaking on the same. So what would you like to tell them?
Like regarding the what do you want me to
Anything.
like?
सी एडवाइस देने वाले तो कई सारे लोग हैं, और मतलब दुनिया एडवाइस से भरी पड़ी है, पर अगर आप मान लो एक चीज बोलना चाहोगे दैट यू नो यू फॉर्मली बिलीव इन, और यू वांट अदर्स टू बिलीव इन, और समथिंग दैट हैज वर्कड फॉर यू.
यार मेरे लिए ना, as an actor you need to be very intuitive. That's what one thing is very important. Not as an actor only, but as a creative person, you need to have certain kind of intuitive ability. Intuitive in the sense like not mystical, but listening to yourself. You know, it's very important to listen to like what you actually want to do. You need to be very clear with your wants and hows and whats. You know, a lot of people come to Mumbai to become an actor just because they have been told by a lot of people that you can be an actor. You know,
Yes.
हर किसी को, this is the biggest thing which I have seen in the younger actors or the new people who are coming to, who also interact with me. वो मुझसे 2 साल से सिर्फ पूछे जा रहे हैं कि यार मैं क्या करूं, मैं क्या करूं, मैं क्या करूं. But even if you give them a road map, they won't be able to do that. So the basic point lies in कि यार actually the self analysis is very important, and that comes when you know that why you want to be here and what you want to do and how you want to do it. So बहुत सिंपल है, यू डोंट नीड टू कॉम्प्लिकेट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि लाइक कैरेक्टर कोई कन्वेंशनल है या कन्वेंशनल नहीं है. दैट आई डोंट बिलीव इन. आई बिलीव कि इफ इट इज योर कॉलिंग यू शुड गो फॉर इट, एंड यू शुड नॉट जस्ट लुक थिंग्स वेरी लॉजिकली ऑलवेज. एक्चुअली जब मैं अमर कॉलोनी करने वाला था, जब मुझे फिल्म मिली थी, तब मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन थे. आई नाउ आई कैन से I had a show with Salman Khan Film Productions. They were making a web show at that point of time, and I got the same time Amar Colony. I had to choose between one because dates दोनों की same थी, and my calling was कि यार मुझे ये film करनी है. And I don't know why. Even I was paid very less in this. Sorry sir. मतलब शैलेंद्र जी, मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि सब पे होना. But I mean to
Please.
say, obviously in an independent film you don't get so much of money, but in a web show you might get money. But जो मेरा satisfaction level आज है ना with the film I did, it's way much more than the money I could have got at that point of time. So as an actor you need to have that intuitive calling for you कि यार ये मेरे लिए सही है. और जब वो आपको मिलती है ना, just do not reason it कि यार ये ऐसा. Even सिद्धार्थ को अगर आप देखोगे, he he is very intuitive in terms of what he wants to make. Like वो कह रहे हैं ना कि मुझे ये बनाना था. इस जब वो फिल्म का भी बता रहे थे कि यार इसमें किसी ने पूछा था कि आप क्या बताना चाहे, व्हाट इज द लाइक, आप क्या चाहते हो कि फिल्म को लोग कैसे देखें. सो ही सेड इट्स लाइक अ पेंटिंग, यू नो. तो आर्ट वैसे ही होता है. यू कांट जस्टिफाई इट विद सर्टेन थिंग्स. वो आपके लिए कुछ और हो सकता है, मेरे लिए कुछ और, निमिषा के लिए कुछ और. You know, for everybody it will be very different. So you need to know yourself. That is the biggest thing as an actor. And then you should follow what your heart says. And you know, एनालाइज करिए अपने आप को कि आप सही कर रहे हैं और आप सही जगह हैं. और अगर आपको लगता है ये नहीं है, तो आप लॉजिकली, अगर आपको क्योंकि एक्टिंग में बहुत बार होता है कि एक्टर्स आते हैं वो चीज़ कर नहीं पाते. निमिषा विल नो दिस कि अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग, बट दे, यू नो, दे समवेयर दे आल्सो नो दैट दे आर नॉट फॉर एक्टिंग. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप जानो कि यार आप यहाँ इसके लिए हो कि नहीं. एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव टाइम टू द क्राफ्ट. टाइम देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप टाइम नहीं दोगे ना किसी भी चीज़ को, तो वो फ्रुक्टिफाई नहीं होगा. वो अपने टाइम पे ही होता है. सो दीज ऑल बेसिक थिंग्स जो कि सब कहते आ रहे हैं कि यार ये चीज़ें करनी होती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द प्रोसेस, दैट इज द ब्यूटी. देयर आर नो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग्स टू, यू नो, क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड. या
Yes. So I agree. सबका intuition अलग है, and सबके लिए
या
अलग road map works, and it is
या
also a very personal journey. So
very personal journey. You can't like just pinpoint
replicate or
certain.
duplicate.
It
हाँ.
won't happen. like whatever works for me won't work for the other person. So you need to know that would be the thrust.
Thank you for answering. And for everybody who's watched the movie, you it would be very kind of you if you just put up the that you have watched it on your story, and you share a link of the ticket, and or you drop a review on the Open Theatre platform as well. It would like also help us promote it organically. कि, whatever you felt watching, like whatever your views were, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगा, whatever you thought about it, like कुछ भी, like just I'll share the link in the group also. Just go and paste a review. And अगर Instagram पे you can put up a story, it will be like really great. And like
Please tag
and
us.
sorry.
Please tag us.
Yes, like do like I'll share everything. I'll also share the accounts to tag in the group. So we have a group also of like
I'm
15
Saloni's
people.
assistant right now.
And
Saloni, I'm typing while you're speaking. Go ahead.
thank you so much. So just put up a story on Instagram that if you watched this film, where you watched it, and you can share the link also. And the second thing that I'm asking you to do is कि ओपन थिएटर पे आप जाके नीचे रिव्यू लिख देना. बस लॉग इन करना है, नीचे बॉक्स आता है, and you can drop in your reviews. That's it.
Okay.
2 things. So thank you everybody for joining.
Right.
And we hope like coming days you would be seeing a lot of content on our Instagram about this film. Also many other people will post around it. So we think like also we'll be tagging everybody. So you can read, review, share whatever you feel like. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Saloni. Thank you,
Thanks,
Saloni, for
everyone.
hosting the meeting.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.